and in this video, we are going to learn how to add alphabet in Excel before number. So you can see here that I have a column of alphabet and then I have another column of numbers, and I want to add the alphabet next to every number in Excel. Or in other words, I want to combine these two cells together so that it would start with CN and then 9247864. Now, how do we do that? First, press the equal sign. Now we want to add the text value in cell B4. All right, and then we want to combine that with the value in the cell C4. Okay, now B4 and C4, so combine together. Hit enter and that is done. Now, just go to the first cell, go to the bottom right hand corner and then double click to autofill the formula down. And there you go. Done. Now some of you might be wondering, okay, so this is great, but I want to add a space between alphabet and number. Is it possible? Well, the answer is yes. Just go to the first cell again, B4 and then N, and then for space, type double quote, space, close double quote, and that's it. Now double click to autofill the formula down, and done. And that's it. Happy learning and see you in the next video.